in Rio Linda, where we just delivered the truck. From here, we're going to go ahead and head out to Elk Grove. It rained yesterday, but today it looks like it's a little cold, but no rain yet. You see how I must be oversteering.
Oh, this is a small car. Go forward more. That'll work. Okay, that'll work.
First pickup of the day, and this vehicle is going to a dealership here in Elk Grove, a quick transport. Overkill, maybe. 3 cones.
Why would that be a overkill? Caltrans we use a lot.
When's the last time you worked for Caltrans?
Shit. It almost felt like yesterday.
It's going on 5 years. Actually, no, it's been over 5 years.
Yeah, but you know what I got from that? You know what I got from Caltrans?
What's that?
How to be safe on the road, on the shoulder.
You
Don't put your back on the incoming car.
So you've been car hauling for 5 years. You started October of 2020.
Yeah, but once a year they have the memorial for the people that died on the highway for Caltrans. You know how many cones they got to put out there? A lot.
Yeah, I can imagine. Because Caltrans workers, a lot of times they work at night or just, you know, it's always on the road.
Each of those cones represents the people that have did the time or have died on the highway. And you know, hey, it's a good job, but it's just people nowadays, they don't know how to drive. They're on the phone. Wow, did you get all this?
Oh, I didn't notice it.
No, just retake the pictures if you can. No biggie.
Of course, okay. I got all that.
You know how long I had the straps for?
How long?
And they're still going. There's no rips.
I would have to say 5 years.
There's no rips. All this is no damage. Because I take care of them. I remember when I first got when I bought the trailer here, the guy gave me a bunch of straps. Oh man. I'm like, I think the straps have more mileage than the trailer. They're all messed up.
But they were free. So then, obviously, he didn't use those. We went on Amazon, bought these straps. They're BA products. I don't believe they sell them anymore. Very good straps.
Yeah, but I can't understand. And I was just starting out. How do straps get messed up? How they? Any of my straps messed up? No, and they're old. You gotta know how to take care of them.
When they get wet, you have to put some spray on them.
Yeah, you gotta winterize them. Basically, if you're gonna use them, leave them on the trailer like that, you gotta spray some stuff on it. WD-40 works for me.
Next is here in Lodi, and it was at Lodi Dodge, which is right over there. Kind of nice. They have, they bring the cars, they go track down the cars, and they bring them right out to the front for you. So it's pretty easy.
So today we are doing several stops. That's why I have the Kaufman Easy 4. It's easier when you have several stops, and I prefer using the Kaufman. It's like when I was a truck driver for 33 years. Well, I still am. I still got my semi truck. With the LTL, do you prefer using a 48-foot trailer with 14 stops or 28-foot trailer with 14 stops? What's going to get it done faster? A 28-foot trailer, of course. Same thing with the Kaufman. This is my 28-foot trailer, for example, and that's my 48, the Infinity. So anytime I got several stops, I'm going to use the 28-foot trailer. Example, it's actually a 45. Yeah, it's 45.
But also, you don't have multiple cars on the trailer at one time.
Yeah.
Because that would make a difference as well.
Oh, yeah.
So it seems as though today we have one vehicle on the trailer at each location.
Okay, let's get out the street. Let's go. Let's go to my. Oh, I got one more.
He was ready to take off.